In this tutorial, we are going to discuss on slider available with AngularJS Material. A slider is a component that allows the user to choose from a range of values. I've done a small project which calculates monthly EMI based on principal amount, interest rate, and number of years. To choose the principal amount from a range of values, I'm using a slider. Same goes for interest rate and number of years. Now, this is a code that written for this EMI calculator. I have an ng app. The required files are added over here. The CSS, Angular mean, which is the core, Angular animate, Angular area, and Angular material mean.js. Now, this is a text box for principal amount. It is having an ng model p amount, ng change, which calls a method ws calculate EMI. MD slider is enclosed in the MD slider container. It's a directory which holds the scrollable content. The attributes that are taken by a slider are MD discrete, step, mean, max, ng model, etc. I needed principal amount in lakhs, so I've given the min value as 50,000, max value as 30 lakhs. I've chosen a discrete type mode for the slider. If you go and see on the screen, you see a dots on the slider. These dots are possible because of this MD discrete and step 50, which is assigned a value of 50,000. The dots are set apart with a value of 50,000, and the user is allowed to choose between these dots. We can have a slider with a normal mode. For that, we don't need MD discrete and a step. In this case, user is allowed to choose from the range of values. That is, minimum range is 50 and max is 30 lakhs. If we put this back, user can choose from these dotted points only. The same goes for interest rates. Now, whenever the user chooses between this, changes the slider, the same is reflected in the principal amount. And when anything is changed in the principal amount, the same goes for slider. So any changes in the text box or the slider, both are getting reflected. Same goes for interest rate. Based on the changes done to this amount, rate, and years, the monthly EMI, total interest, and payment is calculated. If I change anything in any of this component, the EMI is, that is, the values displayed down are also changed. The formula to calculate EMI is here: total interest and total payment. Now, whenever anything is changed, the ng change method is called, that is ws calculate EMI, which has been done over here. This is an app which is having the module name and the ng material which is dependent on it. App.controller with the name of the controller. The EMI, the total interest, and total amount is initialized to 0. This is a method which is called on change of any of the text box and the slider. This updates the value of EMI, total interest, and total amount based on the formula. I wanted the currency to be in rupee symbol, so I've used a the filter to display the same. This code will be available on GitHub. You all can refer over there. The link will be displayed now. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.